bill. So what is the status of that bill, sir?
Yeah, as you're aware that this bill, there have been some comments that have been made by and observations that have been made by the governor and sent to us. After that, the governor himself had called me and we discussed with him. He said that he will work closely with the central government, with the state government and with the central government to find a way forward to get this bill passed. And after that, he had a meeting with the Honorable Home Minister in Delhi, and then the Home Minister consequently has mentioned that they would like to discuss the matter with me at the end and then take a final call on this. So we're waiting for the meeting which will take place between Home Minister and me either in Shillong or in Delhi. 23rd is the NEC plenary meeting. So most probably HM himself, as he's the chairman of the NEC, will be coming to Shillong. And if he comes to Shillong, as I said, of this month. So I will be meeting him then. And in case he does not come and the meeting doesn't take place, then I'll be going to Delhi to meet him.